nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute blobfish. Let's doodle! Okay, we're gonna start right about here on the page, and we're gonna start by drawing the body of the blobfish. And this is kind of a long line, so take your time. Start here, and we'll slowly come up. And we'll do a big arching line up and over. Like this. And then down, and we're gonna come back and head towards where we started. And this is, the bottom of it kind of has a slight wave to it, so it kind of goes up to really make it feel blobby. And then down. And we're gonna head towards back where we started, but we're gonna stop right about here. And now we're gonna draw one of the fins on the side. So coming in from this line a little bit, we're gonna do like a loopy curved line that goes over and back around like this. Like that. And now imagining this line, the body line is going underneath the fin. We're going to continue it over here. And now we're going to do the tail. So let's start back where we started, and we're going to do the tail and come and attach it to the bottom here. So the tail just goes up, and then it curves back around. And then curves, and it connects back here like that. Okay, now let's do the other fin on this side, and it's just a curving line starting there, and it just curves back around like that. And now let's draw some fin lines inside the tail and the arm fins. So here we're just going to do some lines here to give a little bit of sense of depth, shape, and then we'll do two here like this, and we'll do two over here like that. Alright, now let's do the face on this blobfish. And they're known for their funny face and kind of cute face. So we'll start by drawing an eye here, one of the eyes here, and it's just a circle around like this, like that. And we'll do another one over here, like this. And now let's do some highlights in those eyes. So it's a smaller circle, and then an even smaller circle like that, and then we'll do a smaller circle and an even smaller circle like that. And now let's color that in black. Okay, now let's draw the nose now in the middle. It's a big sort of curved line like this. And we start right about here in the middle, and then we come down. And then we come back up, and we stop right about there. And now we'll do the mouth right here. So starting here on the side of the nose, we're going to do a curved line, and the mouth kind of goes up and behind the nose. So imagine this line continues and then starts back over here. And they always kind of look sad, but that's just the way they look. I don't think they are actually sad blobfish. Like that. And now let's make the interior line for the mouth here. So it's just a curved line down like that. And then a curved line down like that. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to make my blobfish pink, but you can make yours any color you want. And then we'll do a darker pink for the mouth. And maybe some cheeks. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.